What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to unlock your Ninebot F2 scooter or any other. I've got F2 Plus here and I would like to make it from 25 km maximum up to 30 or 32 kilometers, depends on the version of your scooter. And just notice, for German version this will not work because they locked on hardware level, so you need to replace the controller for if you bought your Ninebot scooter in Germany. In case you want to see the video how to replace controller, where to get it, and what's the price of the controller, also as a question, just leave your comment below and ask me to create this video, and in case I will find out that many people are interested in this video, I will order the controller and show you how to replace it and then flash it to 32 km/h. As for now, let's see in this video how I will do it. So basically I have my phone here and we need this app called Xiaodash App here. Connect to your scooter and actually show that how to unlock it. So as for now, what you need to do is, in case you open your Segway app, just close it, force stop here. Segway app, okay, closed. Then open the Xiaodash app here. Okay, you see it, my scooter is visible here. Okay, I add some focus, select your device, giving you some information, disclaimer, agree, and please press the power button on the scooter a few times to authenticate access. Okay, you hear this noise, you see activating scooter here. I guess it should work already. So basic one. And what you need to do here is unlock higher speed in sport mode. That's the button what you need to click to activate it. Okay, I clicked it, then double check that it's working, then you can actually use it here. Turn it off. Okay, scooter is off. Turn it on. Okay, just enable it here. Now it works. Then you can close the app and you can check it out. The 32 km/h should be available. On some models, of course, you need to go to speed. I will raise my scooter now, but before doing it, let me activate here in the app. I will go to original app and activate the start from 0 speed. Okay. Connecting, let's wait. Okay, need to repair again. Okay, then start speed 0, and as you see here, I install start speed 0. Now let's try it. I race it. Okay, now let's try it. You see we have 30 km/h. Finally, so we made it, we unlocked it. 30 is the maximum. And basically that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. In case you still have some questions, put in the comments below. Put a thumbs up and see you next time.